Hi, everybody from the Foxhound Weather Center. It's your old pal, Chief Meteorologist Leonard. Look, for a couple of weeks now, I've been saying, look, winter, or at least the winter season, is broken. And to that, I mean, in terms of returning back to like a deep freeze with lots of snow, that real that we usually get every year, that's not going to come back. Now, winter weather is still a distinct possibility over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Winter season, where it is brutally cold and there's piles of snow, that's not returning. And I thought I'd talk a little bit about the El Nino pattern. So when we have a La Nina year, notice how far this blue jet stream comes down. That's a polar front jet. That makes it very, very cold. During an El Nino year, the jet sets up well to the south. That brings soaking rains to California, the southern tier of the nation, including areas like the Gulf Coast states down into Florida. In a normal winter, we just edge into a little Arctic air. But let's talk about how this has set up for us. Dry and mild, there's the polar front jet. North of that is where all the cold air lurks and where the cold air stays. But you think about the soaking in California twice in the last month. And what's been going on in Florida? Very cool, very wet, very stormy. That is an El Nino pattern. And because of that, look, we are very quiet once again. But look down towards Southern California. Since yesterday morning, over 7 inches of rain in Los Angeles. That is an inordinate amount of rain. 8 counties now declared disaster zones as the snows move into the front range of the Wasatch and eventually here into the mountains. We're talking some very heavy snow. In Florida, the spin you see off the coast here, that's 998 millibar low. During storm season, we'd call that a fairly strong subtropical storm. Right now, it is just one big soaker that continues to bring some cool air off to the southeast. For our area, this area of high pressure is going to slowly work its way across Iowa. Eventually, the return flow, a southwest wind, and that will bring some very warm conditions here as we set ourselves up all the way through the next 3 days. That one word sums up the forecast. Near record high temperatures tomorrow, near record high temperatures on Wednesday, near record high temperatures on Thursday, even with clouds and on and off rain showers. And as some cooler air sneaks in the backside of this system on Thursday, chance we could develop a clap of thunder. I know, in February. Friday, some of the moisture hangs into a light rainy mix, and you'll look at the forecast and say, wow, look how cool it gets on Saturday, to which I would reply, well, that's still 10 degrees above our average high for this part of February. It is all about above average.